Editing receipts or improving scanned receipts is now super easy without using Photoshop. Start by opening any browser and searching for Grok, then open the first website and log into your account. Once the website opens, simply tap on the Upload Image option and upload your receipt image or scanned file. This works great for improving low-quality receipts, fixing formatting issues, cleaning backgrounds, or updating editable details for personal record management. Now, in the prompt box, describe the changes you want clearly. For example, you can ask the AI to improve text clarity, clean the scan, sharpen faded areas, adjust alignment, enhance paper quality, or update editable information while keeping the document professional and readable. After writing your prompt, tap on the Submit button and wait a few seconds while the AI processes your receipt. Once the edited version is ready, preview the result and simply click on the Download button to save the final file directly to your device.